has their own special way to peel an egg, but today I'm gonna show you 4 of them and they're all super awesome. Let's get started. So something that's really important for peeling eggs is that they have to be warm. So I hard-boiled some eggs and then I just let them cool down slightly, and this is what we're left with. The first method is called the tap and roll. So you're gonna tap your egg, give it a roll to crack the shell, and then you can just easily peel it off. See how it comes off in one go? Perfect. This one is called the spoon method, and you're gonna look at your egg. This is the widest bit, and you're gonna tap it onto your counter and then peel off a bit of the shell. Then you're gonna take an everyday teaspoon, slide it ever so gently under the shell and the membrane, and start to rotate. And that's gonna separate the shell from the egg. Ta-da! The next method is called the shake, and for this, I'm gonna need a small jar. So I'm just gonna drop my egg into the jar and then fill it to just barely cover the egg with some everyday plain old water. Lid on, make sure it's nice and secure, otherwise you're gonna have water flying all over the place. And give it a shake! Shake it with all your might, and wow! Look at that, sensational. You guys aren't gonna even believe it. I'm gonna fish it out. Might as well do one of these. And look at that, a beautifully peeled egg. And the last method is called the ABRA because it is super magical. So we're gonna just take our egg, tap it on both ends ever so gently, and peel off a bit of the shell, like so. And now this is where things get a bit funny. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the egg up to your mouth on one end and you're gonna blow, okay? Put your hand out because it might go flying. Okay, you guys with me? Are you guys with me? All right, let's do this. All right, 3, 2. And that's how you blow an egg out of its shell. And those are 4 easy hacks on how to peel an egg.
It's the worst thing. It happens to all of us. You've been in this scenario.
Ooh, yes, I can't wait to cook this recipe. It calls for 4 eggs. Fantastic, okay. Eggs, 4 eggs, so excited for the recipe. Ba-da-da-da. I got my clean hands and I'm so excited to make my recipe. Then it's 4 egg whites.
It happens to the best of us, and nothing is more frustrating than the fact that you just washed your hands and now what are you gonna do? Reach in there like a barbarian? Absolutely not. Here's the solution. Plastic bottle, also known as the Egg Yolk Remover 3000. Very simple operation. A little bit of suction. Plop. Oh, look at that. No! Batteries not included. All right, so you do a little, you get a little suction happening, and you put the lips right there, and you, come on, get in there. There it is, there's one yolk. Look, and the what, motherfucker. I have the solution. It's a plastic bottle, also known as the Egg Yolk Separator 3000, special edition. Bloop. Ta-da! Squeeze the bottle a little bit, use the suction. And for just 3 easy payments of $19.95, your recipe can be saved.